Our metal gazebo came. It's supposed to be, what, 9.5 feet tall?
Yes.
And we got it on Amazon. So we're about to put it together. So we have gotten through step 1, 2, and 3. Wasn't too bad. Looks like a spider. Was definitely easier to turn it upside down. And yeah, now we're gonna move on. Important update, when we were putting on the next pieces that have the, I think they call them A. Yeah, when we were putting the A panels on, the holes that you have to screw the screw into are not exactly easy to use a screwdriver.
Which I think they meant to do that. Wow, dude, look at me. Anyway.
So we got the power drill and the little battery drill, and that it went in just fine. So, fun fact, try that. Fun fact, we had it upside down. So when you put these together, obviously we're doing it upside down because it's really tall. These can go in either side. Put them in from the top in. This, make sure this actually reaches this first, because if it doesn't, you'll find out and have to flip it over. So that might have been why it was so hard to screw in. We'll find out. In the instructions, it has you putting the next panels on, and then at the very last step, you put the stakes on the bottom. I don't know about you, but we are not 9.5 feet tall, so we're going ahead and putting the stakes on the bottom, and then we will attach this to these, because those are still reachable. But once they get all the way up there, there's no hope. So that's what we're doing. Gazebo is complete. Check it out. Now we're gonna.
How long did it take them?
It took us about an hour.
Okay.
So now I'm going to record us flipping it over, which will probably come with some pretty great bloopers. So here we go.
Stand up, Mark. We're nowhere near it. Now you have to get up from here.
We got it up, no problem. It's exciting. It wasn't hard at all, actually. We're gonna get it staked in and situated exactly how we want it, and then we'll show you the end result.
Yeah.
So we made this path. And there it is. fantastic.